Commander's morning. I think it is important for me to emphasize this point that President Jacob Zuma is not fighting the ANC, but he's fighting the rot in the ANC. President Zuma is fighting WMC, and he's the only leader up there in the ANC who is fighting WMC. So it is a very difficult and dangerous exercise to fight white monopoly capital in South Africa, especially that all of the current ANC leaders are supporting white monopoly capital. So the reason why you see everything that is happening right now is because President Jacob Zuma is the only leader that is fighting. The rest of the ANC leaders, they are not fighting the WMC. They are captured by these people. And they are scared. If it can happen with MK Iwegona, okay too. Even if the MK does not win elections, but izobaphazamisa ngoba ama-chances ukuthi baluze lesinkwa abasitholayo njengamanje maningi. Not isinkwa sokuphatha ikhanda, cha, isinkwa sokuvikela amabhizinisi aseStellenbosch. So once bahluleka ukuvikela amabhizinisi alabantu la, then it means they are losing out, because right now uPresident Mbeki umfazi wakhe unama-shares kuzo zonke le ndawo, just like uRamaphosa. So once kwaba khona ukuphazamiseka kwalabantu la, kuzoba nama-repercussions, and they don't want that. You can see by how they treated ama-Guptas just for izinto ezincane. So if ukuthi manje bazophazamiseka, food is going to be a problem. So it's difficult for certain people to comprehend this. But Zuma is counter-revolutionary as that is not true. But he is counter what the ANC of Ramaphosa stands for right now. That's what he is counter, not counter-revolutionary, because he understands lo muntu lo njengamanje uyahola every month, uyahola every year, uyahola baba. So une protection until azafe, wonke ama-benefits unawo. So yini lezo mhlupha ke manje ukuthi if ukuthi ufuna ukuthi alwisane nale WMC, yini emhlupha kangaka ukuthi afuna ukulwisana ne-WMC? Yingoba from the onset wayekade freedom fighter, waze washo yena himself ukuthi uzoba i-freedom fighter aze ongene engcwabeni lakhe. Bayamphazamisa but yena is always planning and kumele nikuthathe nikufake emakhandeni ukuthi umsholozi asoze ahlale phansi uyozafe elokhelelo, noma ngaze kuthi uhlulekile lapha kashiye khona soyibamba siqhubeke thi. So lokho kumele nikufake emakhandeni, noma ningamthuka nithini okusala ngeke kunisize lokho. Kuna nje ukunazisa lokho futhi ngiyabona ukuthi